Welcome back to Forex Professional Training in Financial Markets. Fibonacci, Fibonacci Rules and Details, Fibonacci Retracement and Fibonacci Expansion will be discussed in this session. Fibonacci Theory. Leonardo Pisano Bigolo, also known as Leonardo Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician, proposed his theory on population growth rate formula. The sequence of numbers, which was calculated by Fibonacci formula, is derived from all natural orders, such as distances between stars, or even position of human organs. The numbers are calculated through adding the last two numbers as follows: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and so on. The result of a given Fibonacci number divided by another Fibonacci number is used in financial market considerably. The sequence is 0, 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, 76.4%, 88.6%, 1, and 1.27. The numbers between 0 and 1 can be represented in percentages, which develop supportive levels, while numbers above 1 create resistance levels. The supportive levels are used in retracement Fibonacci, while resistance levels are used in expansion Fibonacci. Fibonacci Retracement. Fibonacci retracement can be drawn between two swings, which show probable supportive levels. The effect of each level may be applicable unless it is crossed by market price. If price reaches higher levels, trend has more tendency to change direction. Considering that Fibonacci is drawn between two reverse points, levels are supportive when a trader realizes the whole trend direction. Otherwise, if a trader determines direction of the trend after it hits the zero level, the Fibonacci levels would act as resistance. Examples on MetaTrader 4 can be reviewed for further comprehension. A trader can find Fibonacci buttons in the toolbar. If they are not shown on the toolbar, a trader can right-click on the toolbar. Through Customize option in menu, a trader can insert any option from available list to selected list. A swing can be selected to draw a Fibonacci retracement on. The swing high and low points are connected. After placing Fibonacci, a trader can right-click on the red line to open a properties window. 76.4% level can be added to the Fibo Levels tab. A trader must enter 0.764 in level field, plus in description field a trader can enter 76.4. The main trend is upwards, so a trader should consider Fibonacci effects on direction after it hits the zero level. Price has reached 23.6 support line, which had little effect on the trend, while 38.2 and 50 level did not have significant effect. Direction has changed to upward when price reached 61.8. Some Fibonacci levels are not important, so levels have provable effect on a trend. On 61.8 there is another level, so it was supposed price would change its direction towards upside. Another example can be drawn on another swing. On the downward trend, a Fibonacci retracement can be placed on price where trend direction has changed on 23.6, 50, 76.4 and 88.6. while 38.2 and 61.8 did not have any effect on the price movement. The longer the swing selected, Fibonacci may have more powerful effect on price trend, considering that level would not be effective unless it is crossed by a market price. 23.6 was not effective anymore after it had been paused by price, just like level 50. A trader can divide Fibonacci into four main parts. First section from 0 to 38.2. Second part from 38.2 to 61.8. Third, on from 61.8 to 88.6. And the last one is from 88.6 to 100. When price fluctuates in the first region, the agreeing direction would be highly probable if market price passes the zero level. The power trend towards agreeing direction decreases as market price reaches the higher area of Fibonacci. If price reaches the second section, it continues its previous trend towards zero. After crossing the zero level, the probability of agreeing direction is normal. If price meets the third and fourth region, then the agreeing direction towards zero level is not presumptive. If market price passes the zero level, then a trader must update the Fibonacci 0 point. For instance, a trader would take the zero level on the end of a swing, which is changed to a lower point after market price proceeded to a new level, and again it could be updated to a new rate. On the last zero level, Fibonacci showed significant levels on 38.2, 50 and 61.8. Fibonacci Expansions. Fibonacci Expansions indicates probable resistances against current market trend. It would be useful alongside of some patterns such as flag or head and shoulder. Level rates can be defined on the basis of strategies a trader chooses. On MetaTrader 4, a trader can draw a Fibonacci expansion on an uptrend which has a middle and end points. Through the right-click menu, expansions properties, Fibo levels can be modified by a trader. The internal and external levels are accessible in this tab, so a trader can modify or add another level in which level rate will be considered higher than 1. The endpoint can be relocated by a trader easily. If the length of the red line from the start to the middle point is considered as 100%, then 61.8 means the level is 61.8% of the swing length is higher than the middle point of Fibonacci. The gap between the middle point of the 100 level equals the length of the swing. It can be checked easily in MetaTrader 4 by placing the same Fibonacci over the previous pattern. A trader can use Fibonacci retracement on a trend and enter some levels to display Fibonacci expansions. Through the right-click menu in Fibo levels of Fibo properties, a trader can add new levels. Minus 0.5 in level field and H/2 in description field. Minus 1 in the level field and H in the description field. The H2 and H levels add Fibonacci expansions features to a given Fibonacci retracement to consider future TP prices and target prices. There are several Fibonacci types on PFOREX.com. Traders can study for further convenience. Yet the most widespread types are retracement and expansions. That concludes this session. Until next time and another session, take care.